Welcome back to the Milk+Blush channel. In this video we're going to be creating beautiful textured waves. They are Kim Kardashian's preferred style, and stylists Jen Atkin and Justine Marjan are creating these beautiful textured waves left, right and centre. They're super easy to achieve and are so forgiving and flattering. They really are a staple and a great look to master. To start, you're going to want to clip in your Milk+Blush hair extensions, which give you added volume and length. First start with the 3 clip, then the 4 clip, which is our thickest weft, and then another 3 clip. Now you're going to want to move to the side and clip in your 2 2-clip wefts, keeping enough hair on top to conceal the clips. And then on to styling. We are curling Shannon's hair with the GHD Platinum, which we have reviewed and will link in the description below. This styler is great for achieving natural looking waves, with the curved edges making it so easy to create a really natural bend in the hair. While styling, we are alternating the directions of the curl, some facing towards Shannon's face and some away. This ensures that the look stays looking natural, as this is what natural curls would do. You will also want to work in small sections, otherwise the hairstyle won't look polished and may end up looking frizzy. Once your hair is curled, you can then use your fingers to comb the hair, not being too precious about the strands. Doing this will ensure a natural texture and will help relax your hair. And that's it! This look is great for any occasion, casual or for an event. If you like this video, then remember you can leave us a comment and subscribe to the channel for weekly hair tutorials. Let us know if there are any hairstyles you'd like us to create, and we'll see you next week. Bye!